got the Climate Tough. Looks like the original.
Here's this vintage Trane XE800.
The old original Climate Tough compressor.
I would assume this has a metal tag.
Probably. It looks like late 80s, early 90s. What is it?
Where's the 89?
89.
5 ton.
1989.
Looks a little small for a 5 ton.
That's because it's an 8 here.
That would make sense. And there's a couple new Gree mini splits. Get a look at the year because I'm kind of curious to see if this is brand new, which it very well could be. Oh yeah, this is 2024. I don't know if these were additions to the building or if they replaced something, but pretty nice. 2 brand new Gree heat pumps and an 89 Trane XE800 straight cool unit. And that'll be it for this one.